neurosurgery and orthopedics, and so we are collaborating. And like today, we were able to do 2 cases. One of them, a young man, 23 years old, who was involved in a road traffic accident and had a neck fracture, which we were actually able to perform an operation on and fix using screws and plates, which went well. And we also had another surgery for an older gentleman who was having a paralysis, and now we're hoping after the operation he'll be able to walk again.
We have very many hospitals that refer to us, very many problems that have to do with spine injuries, but also lower back pain, maybe mid-back pain and neck pain, that all point towards problems with the spine. And this can be addressed here. And not just the spine, even things to do with the head and the brain can be addressed here now.
The Upper Eastern region, we don't have spinal surgeries happening. So this being a referral hospital, we expect to be receiving patients all the way from Moyale, Marsabit, Isiolo, Meru, the Rakanithi, and all the way even to go to Laikipia and Nyeri counties. So it's going to act as a referral system for spinal surgeries.